Okay guys, questions 14 to 18. We've got now multiple, we call it matching. What is currently the main area of work of each of the following people? Very simple. People, you will have to match people with the area of work. Right? आपने सालन बनाना है? नहीं. आपने रोटियां पकानी है? आपने सिर्फ खाना खाना है. ठीक है? Something like that. Right? So who is going to do what? Now tell me, in this case, will you read the names of the people or what they are going to do? What they are going to do. Names will not tell you anything. Simon, Liz, Sarah, Duncan and Judy. So you will read what they are going to do. Advertising A. Now listen, for advertising they might use the word marketing, campaign on social media to tell people about it, run the commercials, run the ads and all that. Whatever word links with advertising, whatever word where you understand it is related to advertising, this option will go there. Is it clear? Don't expect advertising. Option B, animal care. Take care of the animal. Take care of the cattle. Right? For animal, they can use the word cattle or any specific animal, like we've got a sheep farm here. So to take care of the sheep and all that. Next is building. Building is area of construction. For building, they might use the word construction, area of construction. Clear? See, this is what you need to expect in the audio. Next, and again, your imagination. If you imagine advertising, right? You can imagine big billboards and all that. Then you imagine animal care. Yeah, can you imagine some goats and cows? Yeah, no? All right. Next is building. Imagine some construction, building and all that. Next, educational links. For educational links, they might use the word school, college, academic or anything like that. Right? After this, engine maintenance. What is the other word for engine? Locomotive. Locomotive is the proper word for engine. Okay, and for maintenance they might use any other word. Okay, maintaining the locomotive, taking care of the locomotive and all that. The proper word for railway engine is locomotive. Loco and motive. Yeah. Next, food and drink. Very simple. For food and drink they can use the word refreshments, they can use the word eatables, they can use the word juice and sandwich, they can use the word fed and watered to make sure our visitors are properly fed and watered. कि इनको खाना पानी अच्छा मिले. Our visitors are fed and watered. Right? Fed means खाना and watered means उसको पानी मिला. Next is sales. Now for sales, they might use the word purchase, they might use the word retail, they might use the word buy, okay, increase sales or any other word like that. This sales mean like unki sales bade. And last is staffing, very simple. Whenever they use the word staffing, that is related to HR, to hire the manager, okay, or to get the, recruit the staff. Okay, or to interview the people for the jobs, candidates and all that, this will go there. Is this all clear? Yes. Now, if you don't know these things, answers will come and go. And whenever we have A, B, C, D, तुक्का तो पहले ही हम तैयार बैठे होते हैं कि तुक्का लगाएं कहीं पे. Yeah, so be careful. Now, question number 14 is Simon, and they have mentioned the speaker. It means Simon will tell what he does. So for Simon, he can use as far as I am concerned, my job is, and then Simon will tell us about Liz, Sarah, and all that. So let's go on.
All these visitors mean we have had to expand our operation, and it's now a truly family concern. I'm near to retirement age, so I only concern myself with looking after the mechanical side of things, keeping the trains going.
Mechanical sides of things, keeping the trains going. Exactly. That is option E, engine maintenance. And what is the word for that? Mechanical side of things. And then he said keeping the trains going. So train will go with engine, most definitely. So that is engine maintenance. Option E is the right answer here. All good? Yeah? Good. Let's go on. Next is Liz. Now let's see what does she do.
Liz now devotes all her energies to recruiting and supporting the large squadron of workers, which keep the place running smoothly.
Good. Recruiting and supporting the people and all that. Recruiting, you understand, naukri pe lagana, and that is Stuffing. Now you should know, and by the way, you will see the word stuffing in any listening test. These words will be repeated. They don't have many options, right? So the right answer for 15 is H, stuffing. All clear? Yes. Good. Let's go on. Sarah, question number 16.
We're really pleased that after some years away teaching, Sarah has now returned to the park and makes sure the visitors are kept fed and watered, which keeps her pretty busy, as you can imagine.
Visitors are kept fed and watered. Fed is from feed and watered is from drink. So answer is F, food and drink. Clear? Yeah? Good. Alright, 17 is Duncan.
Our son Duncan has been a stalwart of the park for the last 10 years, taking over from me in the area of construction. And I'll say a little bit more about that in a moment.
In the area of construction. Now construction and building, they are the things. See that? 9 band. If you focus, and even, I'm solving one test with you. After this, when you solve 10 tests, just focus all these things. You will always find these synonyms and all that. Okay, let's go on. Question number 18, Judy. Let's see what is it that she's going to do.
And his new wife, Judith, has also joined the team in charge of retail. That's becoming a tremendous growth area for us.
Retail.
A lot of people want to buy souvenirs.
A lot of people want to buy souvenirs, and retail. So that is related to sales, option G. Okay, a lot of people want to buy souvenirs. So buy is sales. All right, good job. Let's go on. 19 and 20. Complete the table below. Write one word and or a number. One word or numbers. Yeah, they mentioned numbers. So it can be plural number as well. Okay, let me tell you what do they mean by numbers. Numbers can be 31st to 5th August, for example. Or no, let's make it simple. Yeah, numbers can be 10th to 15th July. Now 10th dash 15. How many numbers are they? 2. So they have used the word numbers. In circle numbers, whenever they mention numbers, they might give you 2 numbers. 2 numbers means from here to there. Okay, for example, the distance 5 to 10 kilometers. They have written kilometers 5 to 10. 5 and 10, they are 2 numbers, right? We can write even 2 if you want to, because there is word as well, one word as well. Otherwise, you can write dash, but you can write 2 comfortably. Exactly. Okay, now question number 19. Before that, you see railway. And there is no question about it. So the audio will start and go on and on and on. Railway 1.2 km, making tunnels. Next is go-kart arena. Now if you don't know what is go-kart arena, you don't need to worry about it. Just take it as go-kart arena. Right? That is one of the features. So what is the name of the feature? Go-kart arena. Size. Now how do you read M square? Meter square or square meter. So in the audio, whatever they say with square meter, M2 is square meter. Those who studied mathematics, they understand that. Or in physics, we do have this, right? So square meter. So if this is square meter, meter square, answer will come right after that. Let's see.
We're constantly looking for ways to offer more to our visitors. The railway remains the central feature. And there's now 1.2 kilometres of the line laid, but we'd like to lay more. Because of the geology of the area, our greatest problem is digging tunnels, but we're gradually overcoming that. We're also very pleased with a new installation of the go-kart arena, which is 120 square metres in area.
120 square metres in area. So answer is 120. Okay? Don't write 120, just 120. Very good. 9. Because they've already written, okay, size is already mentioned. Table के ऊपर देखें size लिखा हुआ है. And if you write area, 120 meters square area. No, you shouldn't write area. Yeah, it's all fine already. Okay, next question number 20. They've mentioned removing mons and then they say target age group. Now very simple, whenever they talk about target age group, that is why they wrote numbers. So target age group can be 5 to 10, 6 to 12, 7 to 11. Okay, so target age group, and then they mentioned year olds. So year olds mean it's going to be that bracket.
Again, the problem is the geology. We had to level the mounds on the track for safety reasons. We wanted to enable 5 to 12-year-olds to use the go-karts. And the main attraction here is the Formula One kart.
So 5 to 12, very simple, right? And there could be trap also. Initially we made it for 5 to 13, but then we decided to go for 5 to 12. And you will write 5 to 12 or 5-12, both ways it is right. But don't write comma, because whenever you write age bracket, you write hyphen.